It'll be fine.
Since our child got sick, we've always wanted a gluten.
Hug.
Oh, Cecilia, what would we ever do without you?
Tell me about the fridge.
What do you call this business of yours?
Come on.
May it, Harold.
No, you said it earlier today.
It's natural order.
Natural.
We are now with the...
Everything's in the natural order.
That's right, and it would be very natural for you to keep it in order.
Because
it's
feels
in
like
I don't know about
families. Tell me about the families that you see. What are the names of the families?
there's the sauce and condiment family.
They're the rude people. They're saucy.
They're saucy.
The guys down there aren't very clever. They're vegetables.
Yeah,
That's right.
and that's where you go first.
yeah.
When you're hungry, you look at the vegetables.
Yes.
And then there are dips
Yeah.
and snacky things and olive.
And then it gets to about 10 o'clock at night, and this guy comes out.
Yeah, free advertising link.
Yeah.
Well, so is this going to improve your life?
It's definitely going to improve our... It already has.
Before this, our marriage was broken. And
Thank you, natural order fairy.
But when you came up the driveway, her heart leapt. I saw.
It did.
She's got a heart problem.
Oh.
That's her.
Okay.